Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News NE. The Congress today alleged that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to shun Manipur and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has proved to be a big failure to managing the situation of the state that has been in grip through the ethnic violence since May 3rd, 2023. Here we are bringing you the full details. Congress blames PM for ignoring Manipur. Amit Shah labelled a major failure. Over 60,000 still in relief camps. President's rule imposed after prolonged unrest. No reconciliation or healing process underway. Yes, viewers, the Congress today alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to shun Manipur and Union Home Minister Amit Shah proved to be a big failure in managing the state, which has been in the grip of ethnic violence since 2023. Congress General Secretary in Charge Communication Jairam Ramesh stated that the BJP has formed a government in Manipur with a massive mandate in February 2022, and exactly 2 years ago today the state erupted in sectarian violence. Faced with no confidence motion to be moved by the Congress in the State Assembly, the Modi government forced the CM to resign and finally imposed President rules on February 13th this year, 2 months after the people demanded it. The anguish and suffering of Manipur continues. Political games are being played. No worthwhile reconciliation process is underway. Over 60,000 internally displaced persons continue to live in relief camps in conditions of great stress, Jairam Ramesh stated. He further added that most importantly, the PM continues to avoid and shun Manipur. He has met with nobody from the state. He has gone all over the world but has not found the time nor the inclination nor the sensitivity to visit the troubled state and reach out to the people there. The Home Minister, whom the PM has outscored management of Manipur, has proved to be a big failure. Manipur deserves better. The people of Manipur are waiting for the PM to arrive in Imphal and go around the beautiful state and extend the healing touch, at least to do the extent that he is capable of doing so. The Congress General Secretary further stated, it needs to mention that more than 220 people have been killed and thousands rendered homeless in the ethnic violence between Imphal Valley-based Meiteis and adjoining hills-based Kuki-Zo groups since May 2023. Yes, viewers, as Manipur marks 2 years of ethnic violence today, the Congress alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to shun the state while Union Home Minister Amit Shah has proven to be a major failure in managing the situation. Jairam Ramesh, the Congress General Secretary in charge of communication, stated that the BJP formed the government in Manipur with a massive mandate in February 2022, and exactly 2 days ago today, the state erupted in sectarian violence. Faced with no confidence motion to be moved by the Congress in the State Assembly, the Modi government forced the CM to resign and finally imposed President's rule on February 13 this year, 2 months after the people demanded. It needs to mention that more than 220 people have been killed and thousands rendered homeless in ethnic violence between Imphal Valley-based Meiteis and adjoining hills-based Kuki-Zo groups since May 2023. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.